When we talk about which bond is more powerful, covalent or ionic, it really depends on what you mean by powerful. If you look at the strength of the bond between two atoms, covalent bonds usually win. Think of covalent bonds like two people holding hands tightly. It takes a lot of energy to pull them apart. For example, in a water molecule, the hydrogen and oxygen atoms are connected by a covalent bond that is very hard to break. On the other hand, ionic bonds are a bit different. Imagine a whole group of people, each holding hands with lots of others, forming a big, strong circle. That's what happens in an ionic solid, like table salt. The positive and negative ions stick together in a crystal lattice, creating very strong forces throughout the whole structure. This makes ionic solids hard and gives them high melting points. But here is the twist. When you put ionic compounds in water, they break apart into ions and the bond between each pair becomes much weaker. Covalent bonds, on the other hand, usually stay together in water. So to sum it up, covalent bonds are stronger as single bonds between two atoms. Ionic bonds are powerful in the solid state thanks to all the ions holding onto each other, but they are weaker in water. It all depends on the situation. Credits script adaptation by the Science Education team.